They call me the richest man in the world. I own the finest cars, tailored suits, all the power that any man can wish for. I even have my own butler follow me around wherever I go. My name is Steve, and I'm worth $900 million. You probably wish you were me. Everyone does. I mean, why wouldn't you? Just look at me. Look around. Have a look at the stuff that I have, that I made. No one helped me. It's from my hard work. Everything I want, I click. What's my name? It's your boy Steve here, self-made millionaire, butler right in the back.
Master Steve, sir.
Jump! Me.
Sir, it's an important phone call.
Busy.
It's from your doctor. The results are in.
Hello.
Steve, I'm not sure how to say this, but it seems the tumor's terminal.
Nah. This can't be right.
Judging from the results, I could say maybe 4 weeks.
He's saying I have 4 weeks to go.
I'm really sorry, Steve, but there's absolutely nothing we can do.
I'll pay anything.
Mr.
Please,
Steve,
Doc.
I'm so sorry, but it seems that not even your money can help you now.
Please don't do this to me. My heart, everything's gonna go. My money, my power, everything's going.